Hey guys and gals, today I'm going to be making a little short video of putting in a tailgate assist on a 2019 RAM Tradesman. It's the new body style. Excuse me. Some of the upper higher end trim levels, well, I think pretty much everything above the Tradesman has the tailgate assist, and even some of them have the push button to open your tailgate. But for the Tradesman, they did not include any of the nice features to include even just the simplest thing as a tailgate assist. There are some aftermarket items that you can get. DZ's, I believe, is one of them. But it goes on the outside here. As you can see, it would kind of attached right here to where the strap attaches, and then another portion of it attaches down here into this available slot. But with the 2019 Rams, they actually come with the connections for the internal air cylinder, which I picked up right here. I'll leave the part number and where you can get that down in the description. But for the most part, this thing is hidden. It goes into the compartment here behind the driver's side tail light. So I'm going to go ahead and get started taking that tail light off. So in order to take the tail light out, you're going to have a couple of clips here and two T25 Torx screws. For these clips, they're kind of a two-part clip. They have a center portion and an outer portion. So you got to kind of take the center portion out about halfway. So once you get that out a little ways, then the outer portion can pop right out. And I'm going to go ahead and take off my tailgate strap real quick so I can get to the other screw and other clip that's like right behind there. Stand by. Okay, now that I've got my tail light out, here in this cavity, the 2019 Ram, like I said, this is the new body style, not the classic body style. It comes with these two ball studs. There's one right here. There's one down here a little bit lower. So if I can, that's part of the tailgate hinge, and this one's kind of welded to the bed body here. And then you got your air cylinder here, and they just pop right onto those ball studs. You can see right here on the air cylinder, this side goes up. Obviously this side goes down, so let's see if we can get it popped in there real quick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop in the bottom one first. And then I got to push down. Ooh, this thing is pretty tight. Let's see if it. Let me see if it's going to change if I close the tailgate. Oh yeah, that makes a world of difference. So I'll just pop the top one on right there. And let's see. Yeah, there you go. Man, it is installed. So that's a pretty good alternative to the DZ tailgate lift assist. And actually, like I said, the new body style in the 2019 Rams actually come with those ball studs for this air cylinder. It goes right in here. It's going to be hidden behind the tail lights. It's not on the outside where it could rub on the edge of your tailgate. So not a bad deal. I'll go ahead and get my tail light back in, and I'm pretty much done. Okay, so I got my tail light back in. Finished product here. So yeah, not too bad. Again, this is on the new body style. It's not the classic body style, so I don't know if those ball studs are available on the 19 classic body style or the 2018 and prior. But those ball studs are on the Tradesman's. If you did get a Tradesman that didn't have the tailgate assist feature. And those ball studs are only behind the driver's side tail light. They're not on the passenger side tail light. But I don't have anything here on the outside. Nothing's going to be scratching against my paint here. It's concealed back behind here, out of sight, out of mind, and it works pretty good. Now this does not give you the feature of the push button that some of the higher end trim levels have. It only just gives you the pressure that holds that tailgate so it goes down slowly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.